Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So for today, I want to present about my community service project CSC098. The title for this community service is How to Construct a Histogram Graph using Microsoft Excel. My name is Nur Sham and I'm from E22. So for the community service scenario, Serena have given a group assignment project about entrepreneurship, which they have to sell something in a business field. So she, in her part, she have to construct a histogram graph using Microsoft Excel, based on the Google form that they do about their product by the Yo-Yo. So we have to help her in using the Microsoft Excel to complete her part in constructing histogram. The first step is open Microsoft Excel. And close this one. And then click on the blank workbook. So as you can see, the first column, A1, go to the table that you have collected at Microsoft Word, copy the table, and paste it on A1 at Microsoft Excel. So I'm just going to adjust it a bit so it will be more proper. So this is the table that we got from the survey, market survey. And then I want to write the upper class interval price range that I have select. So I'm using the price range from 10 to 40 ringgit. Second one, 15 to 19. The third one is 20 to 24. And last one is 25 to 29. So I'm going to write the upper class interval. So histogram, you have to start with 0. So start with 0, 14, 19, 24, and 29. And you have got that. And then you click on the data at the top option, click data and click on data analysis, and it will pop up this analysis tools. So you have to choose histogram. There's a lot of option here, so choose histogram since we are going to construct a histogram. Click OK, and it will pop up this. There's an input, output options, and so on. So in the input range is where you include the price suggested by respondent based on the table. So as you can see, the price start at B2 until B26. So you just have to type at the you just have to fill in the input range B2, B26, and for the bin range is where you type in the upper class interval that you have listed just now. It starts from D2 until D6. So D2, D6, and it will automatically add new worksheet ply. You change it into output range, and you can fill it anywhere at the column anywhere. This is for, it will pop up, it will come out the timetable that referred to do the histogram. So I'm just going to choose here, which is F2, and then click on the chart output. So the histogram will come out, and then you click on OK, and it will came out like this. This is the histogram based on your data collected, and then this is the timetable that I'm talking about that it will come out. So this is the bin and frequency. The frequency will tell about how many respondents respond with the price range that they choose. So the first one you can change this axis Y. So you can type on number of respondent, and at the x-axis, so for the bin one, you can write suggested price in bracket RM. Okay. So this frequency here, there is no use, so you can just backspace it. So this is your graph. But as I would like to say, I'm using a price range. So we have to choose these all 40, 90, 24, 29 into price range. So how did you do that? At the bin column, here 14, tap on 10 to 14, enter, and it will come out this October 14. So we don't want this one. So you just have to click at the column, at the upper column, right click, and you come out format cell. Click on text. There's a lot of options. Click on text and click OK. So you just have to type back the price range 10 to 14, 15 to 19, 20 to 24, and lastly 25 to 29. So as you can see at the histogram graph also, it has already changed here. Oh, you can also change the title. Histogram graph. Okay. And histogram graph based on market survey by the Yo-Yo. Okay, this is the name for Rena's group. So, and then lastly, right click on the series, on the the block at the histogram graph, click on format data series, and go here, series option. There's a gap width, so I would like to make it 0, so it will like this. And you can also change the color of the border and the color of the histogram. So I will change it into yellow, and the border I will change it into solid line and in black. So there you go. This is the graph that histogram graph that that Rina can construct. So this is a step-by-step tutorial for her in constructing histogram graph using Microsoft Excel. So that's all from me. Thank you.